Titans, welcome to another Form Titan video, and in this video we'll demonstrate how to re-engage with customers if no response when using targeting. So let me show you how this works. We'll set up some fields here quickly, like full name, and we'll set up email, and then we'll set up a submit button. Alright, and then let me just set this to submit. Click save, and then let's configure the push for these now. Right, I'll go to Salesforce, configure push, we'll choose an object, contact, and then we'll choose email in there, creates contact, here we go, apply, and then I'll tell you what, I'll go back to this push directly and map the rest of the fields as well. So we'll do first, and we'll do last name, and that's it. Okay, so when this is done, let's go ahead and configure our targeting, and I'll show you why you need to re-engage them. Configure, add campaign, we'll say create contact demo campaign. Click next. Now we'll configure our email, we'll say please enter contact details to claim coupon. Very random, and then I'll just add gmail.com, no reply at titan.com, and we'll leave this as it is. And I'll just enter a bit more stuff here, like please complete form below to receive your coupon. Very simple. Then we'll go to the next page, add a disclaimer. We'll say this is a test. Go next to our list. Now I'm going to add a new list. Okay, so let's go and add a brand new list. We'll call this coupon contact list. Now there are a couple of options you have to check. First, active to make this list active. Secondly, you need to agree to terms and conditions, and you can read these here. Second, all users in this list agree to receive email from me, so you must have consent. Without consent, if you send these, then you are violating our terms and conditions. Again, I will not buy any lists and upload them. You can't just buy a random list of the internet and start spamming them. You will again violate our terms and conditions. So once you've done that, click apply. Next, back here, I'll refresh, and there's my list, coupon list. Click next. I can send them a test email if I want. I don't have to worry about that for now. Now let's just go back quickly. So right, what the point here is that I need to actually add a member to my list. So I'll tell you what, let's manage list members, add list member, I'll add a random one. .co.uk. I'll say, we'll say Joe blogs, active, apply, and I'll add one more, and I'll say Tim blogs at gmail.com is also active. Oh, whoops, let me swap these. gmail.com, Tim blogs is active. Okay, I'll apply that. This has been done. I can now make sure I check all the conditions, say update list. It's been updated. Now back here, I'll give this list a refresh again. And I'll say this, and I'll say allow your list member to submit this form once. Okay, click next, and now I can send. So now I'm going to go ahead and send, and it's been sent through. Alright, so if I go back to my email here, there are going to be a couple of emails coming through very, very shortly. I've already received one here. So let's give this a refresh. And here it is. It will say, please enter contact details to receive your coupon. And same here, it will say please enter contact details to claim your coupon. Right? Now, if you have a look back here and click on statistics, you can see that it's reached 2 people, but neither of them have bothered submitting anything. Okay, I'll give you a quick example of this. So let's say I will go here and we'll click on this one and we'll submit something. We'll say contact one target. We'll say c1t at target.com. Okay, so I've submitted that, and that's going to be created in Salesforce quite easily. Now, if I refresh the statistics here, you can see that one's been submitted, which is here. Alright, so if I click view on that, you can see my submission has just been created. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So that's good. That's good. However, this person hasn't really done anything yet, and I want to re-engage them. So what you do is you click re-engage, and now what this does is sends them an email again. So look, if I just give this a refresh, you can see the statistics here that only 50% have viewed and submitted. So once I've re-engaged it, you'll see what happened. That if I go back into an email, I've received that email again. Okay, this is the person. So now I've received my email again. I can click here. I've re-engaged that person. They can now go ahead and submit their contact. So they can say contact to at ft.com, and then they're going to go ahead and submit it as well. Now, if I go back here into the form, just close this quickly, do statistics, you can see both of them are now submitted. Okay, so now both of them are submitted. I can't re-engage them because I've already got their submissions back here one by one, and that's the power of re-engaging, that you can just see that which one has submitted, which one hasn't, which one has viewed it, which one hasn't, and the ones that haven't, you can click re-engage and it will resend them again, gives them a chance to resubmit as well. And this is how it's done.